As Nigeria's most active city in terms of trade and commerce, Lagos experienced a continuous increase in its motoring public as the economy expands. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are looking at the Opebi Mende Bridge, which is also known as the Opebi and Ojota Link Bridge. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification to be the first to watch my video whenever I post a new one. Let's get back into the video. This bridge puts significant strain on its road infrastructure, resulting in commuters enjoying grueling traffic on major roads, such as those within the Ikeja-Ojota axis. In collaboration with the Lagos State Ministry of Work and Infrastructure, Julius Berger is currently constructing a 4.52-kilometer long link bridge and approach road across the swampy land area between Opebi and Mende. Conceived over 20 years ago as a solution to traffic congestion within the Ikeja-Ojota axis, the project poses enormous construction challenges that only a company with the right experience and expertise can overcome. The new road is being built on extremely challenging soil conditions, with soft pits reaching depth of 20 meters below existing ground. This necessitates massive sand filling to create a temporary working platform. The road will be supported by 530 and 110 meter long bridges and 50 meter long mechanically stabilized earth wall and approach sections. The construction requires a lot of effort and also a lot of funding. Moreover, this construction requires the application of 30-meter long pre-stressed beams with geotextile mechanically stabilized earth rams, bored piles with diameter of 1,500 mm and a depth of 40 meters inside the swamp, using a spiral duct solution as permanent casing. Once completed, the new road will open into Ojota axis in Kosofe, diverting traffic from Opebi U-turn and connecting to Ikorodu Road via an intersection that will be constructed under Odo Iya Alaro Bridge at Mende. Julius Berger's scope of work include the construction of bridges, U-turn and underpasses, as well as the reconstruction of the existing Opebi Road and Maryland U-turn. The Opebi Mende Bridge, upon completion, will be a major relief for commuters, alleviating traffic gridlock at Opebi, Mende, Maryland, Ojota, and Mobolaji Bank Anthony Road. This is a 4.52-kilometer bridge being constructed by Julius Berger by the Nigerian government. Anyways, what are your thoughts concerning this massive road project? Do well to watch the video to the ending and let's enjoy the rest of the remaining clip. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification to be the first to watch any of my video. See you on the next one. For now, stay blessed.